What is up, YouTube? It's your boy MBL. I'm a day back with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a summer court pack opening. Y'all know I don't be having cash, so I use my coins. I'm just be doing pack. Ooh, I pulled a Bobby Portis bar. I already got him, but he sells on the auction block for like 200K. That was last time I checked. He probably went down, but let's get into the summer pro pack. I'm gonna open up like 15 of them. That's crazy how that's a promo and it only has 4 cards in it. Like, you should be getting a guaranteed summer courts player, not just you get one if it goes if you get one, but nah, it'd be cheating. David Lee, that's like 15K. Zach Levine. They got I'm gonna get a point guard Zach Levine. I need a point guard Zach Levine. Now, I don't know how many packs I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna start when I get to 400K. Then I'm gonna go to the 300K. I'm gonna check and see. Cause I wanna open up 2 elite summer course players. But I like this promo. This promo will make you rich. I might do a video on how this promo will make you rich. But I can tell y'all a little how it will make you rich in the video. But I know a lot of people don't watch my whole video. But if y'all do this, I'm gonna tell y'all how to get rich and be able to move from each promo. Like, it's not just sniping cards. Like, when you first get into there, they give you free stuff. Get the first thing and then play live events. And then play the live events for the summer course. And then you get a lot of each achievements from when you complete. Ooh, I just put the Kawhi. Let's get it. Then you get a lot of achievements from completing your objectives. Then as you get your achievements, you get these gold objective things, and then as you get the gold objective thing, you get a pro pack from Summer Court. All that is free. You get all that for free. So then you put the in there, and the pro pack it can either be a Summer Courts pack. It can either be elite or gold. And if you lucky, you get elite. You can sell on the auction block for 200K. They keep trying that method. I don't know how many packs I opened. I'm gonna open one more. One more. Now I might as well go to 200K. Bruh. That must have been stop. Right there. I guess. I want that 99 overall KD so bad. He would go good with my LeBron and Curry. I'm might as well go till I go to 200K. I might just pull another elite if I'm lucky. Wait, did I just pull 2 Jason Whitney? Or am I tripping? Nah, I don't think I'm tripping. I think I'm tripping. Hold up. Am I tripping or not? I'm not tripping. I just pulled 2 of the same things in one pack. Get my stuff back up to 200K real quick. Oh, bro. I think I be breaking NBA Live open. I think I be breaking. I be having so much stuff. And I know when that I like them. I like it. They can only mean one thing. My NBA Live mobile videos I don't edit, but my vlogs I edit. Unless y'all want me to start editing, I edit. And go. Let's go over to these sets. Oh yeah. Hold up. Got an extra gold player. Hold up. See right here, look. Get a free gold collectible from completing the objective, and then I can put it into here. Now I got a free someone's corp pack. There's a chance of you pulling the elite. Chance of you not. Oh, Brandon Ingram. I might keep that Brandon Ingram. Hold up. I might keep that Brandon Ingram. It's your boy NBA Mobile Day, and I am out. Peace. No, hold up. I might as well just open these. This is 10 minutes. Ooh, Ben Simmons. Ooh, I need that. I need that. Ooh, Giannis. I pull Giannis. Giannis. Oh my goodness. Giannis. I freaking pull Giannis, bro. I freaking pull Giannis. Look at my team. My nigga Giannis, bro. It's your boy, me like Mobile Daddy, and I am out. Peace.